to my channel, and today in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can remove background just like what we have here. So let's get started. And please, if you're new here, you're welcome. I would like you to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. You're welcome to this exciting video. Let's get right down into it. Okay, in today's video, let me clear this, and you're going to move right into the import icon. Okay, let's use this lady over here. Okay, let us exact this. I'm going to stretch it out. Screen. Okay, I think this is enough. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna tap on the erase color function. You see, we have the erase color function right over here. So I'll tap on this and wait for it to click. Okay, I'll enable that, and then I'll tick the color picker option and take it to the color that I want to erase. I'll tap on this check mark, and you see, boom, the color is gone. Well, this is for a plain color. You can see that this particular image has a single color, but for the images that has more than one color, so we are gonna take this. Okay, actually I love this, and this is a perfect image we can use to remove the background. So notice that once I disable it, the first thing, the color goes off. So I'm gonna tap on the second one, and then I'll pick the white portion of it, and you can see we actually have a perfect PNG image, and we can use this very well. And please, if this is actually not a perfect way to actually remove background, the other perfect way to remove background is simply by going to remove.bg. It's an online platform, a website where you can easily remove background for any app, and it's completely free. You don't need to sign up, nothing. You don't actually do anything. You just upload your image and download it back in PNG form. If you want me to drop a video on how to use remove.bg, please do let me know in the comment section below. Let us vote in the comments. Thank you very much. In our design, so please, if you find this video very helpful, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I drop another video. For now, stay blessed.